Hi, here again from Homemade Crafts Ideas channel. Small spaces are difficult to decorate, especially when items need to sit on the shelf, and wall shelves aren't an option. The corner shelf often takes up unnecessary space so that it cannot be used for other purposes. A great tip to save space is to use corner shelf. They take up less space and sit in the corner out of the way. Since the corner itself forms a triangular space, the shelf is usually only intended for plants, figurines, crafts, awards, and other items that can be displayed at home. Remember, when fitting the corner shelf to the wall, you must always observe the weight restriction associated with each type of shelf to avoid overloading or damaging the shelf or wall. There are many types of corner shelf: floating shelf, corner shelf, glass shelf, and also L-shaped shelf. It can also be used in living room, kitchen, bedroom, etc. You can place the corner or wall shelf concept in different places. You can place the corner shelf in specific places. Those are 4 sides in each room's corner. There are corners between cupboards, corners in the bedroom, and also corners in the kitchen. Instead of taking up space on the library walls, you can create your own space from the corner. Shelves that are mounted on walls with no visible support are known as floating shelves because they appear to be floating on the wall. This is because they are attached to the walls with screws as tightly as possible, but the screw holders are not visible from the outside. A century ago, it was difficult to assemble a floating shelf. The building of the wall at that time was not so strong and solid that it could not withstand too much hanging weight. The material used to make the shelf today was mainly wood, which was durable and heavy, thanks to the invention of the lighter materials and a solid wall. It's now possible to embellish your rooms with this special element.